Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to publish your calendar to the web in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you to the Microsoft Outlook web app where you can access your emails and calendar online. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials and wait for your inbox to load completely. This is the web version of Outlook, which gives you full access to all the calendar publishing features we'll be working with today. Once your emails have loaded and you can see your inbox, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon sitting up there, which represents your Outlook settings. Click on this gear icon to open up your settings menu. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Outlook experience, including calendar options, email preferences, and sharing settings. After clicking the gear icon, your Outlook settings panel will open up on the right side of your screen. Now direct your attention to the left side panel within this settings area. You'll see several tabs listed vertically, and one of them is labeled Calendar. Click on the Calendar tab to access all your calendar-related settings. This section contains everything you need to manage how your calendar functions and how you can share it with others. Within the calendar settings, you'll see multiple options listed beneath the Calendar tab. Look for the one that says Shared Calendars and click on it. This is the specific section that handles calendar publishing and sharing features. Once you're in Shared Calendars, scroll down towards the bottom of this tab until you find a section labeled Publish a Calendar. This is exactly where you need to be to make your calendar accessible on the web. In the Publish a Calendar section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of your available calendars. Select which calendar you want to publish to the web from this list. Whether it's your main calendar or a specific one you've created for work or personal events, just choose the one you want to share. Right below that, you'll notice another drop-down field. Click on it to set the permission level for your published calendar. You'll see three options here: can view when I'm busy, can view titles and locations, and can view all details. Each option determines how much information people can see when they access your published calendar. Choose the permission level that works best for your privacy needs and the purpose of sharing this calendar. Once you've selected both your calendar and the appropriate permission level, click the Publish button. After a moment, Outlook will generate two URLs for you. One URL will be an HTML format, which can be viewed directly in a web browser, and the other will be an ICS format, which can be imported into other calendar applications. You can now share either of these links with anyone you want to give access to your calendar. And that's it. You've successfully published your Outlook calendar to the web with your chosen permission settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.